So what's this about?
Okay, and we are back.
Can you spare a coin?
No, I'm way
Goes
down.
it.
I can't spare anything. Alright. Okay, let's see here. Alright.
Who will help an old beggar?
Dude, stop following me. Alright. Nope. Alright. Crap, I think I'm on the wrong side. Come through.
Let's hear it.
I said it's coming through, fool. Yeah, you heard that, didn't you? Asshole.
Greetings, Imperial Brother.
I wish no one would call me Slop Garage. I guess I got fired.
Afternoon.
After breaking out that big wizard Diagon. Another end. Let's see here, another fool.
What is it?
Shut your mouth. Alright. Alright, made it in.
A pleasure to speak.
Let's see here.
May I interest you in some of my fine wares?
Yeah, alright, let's see here. Okay, I'll take some of these. Yes.
A pleasure to serve you.
Thanks, buddy.
Goodbye.
Alright. Let's see here. Alright, let's see here. We're down, down, down. Alright. Alright, there we go.
A pleasure to speak with you.
So,
Can I interest you in some of my wares?
nope, but I'm willing to sell you some garbage.
That's a fair... You drive up.
There you go. You
A
can have
good price for a good customer. You got a
There you
great
go.
deal there.
I'll take that. You can have that. And that.
An excellent bargain. That seems a fair price.
Yeah. There you go. You go both. There you go. Alright, let's see here.
You got a... That's more... That's it.
Alright, there you go.
That's a good...
There you go.
That's more than...
You have those glass boots. You can
A
have
good
that. And that. And sell you that. And sell you that. Throw
That's
boots.
more than a,
Chest piece. There's the helmet.
that's more than
There
an
you
excellent
go.
bargain.
I've already got one of those, so you can
An
have that
excellent
ring.
bargain. You drive a hard.
There you go. Let's see here. Alright, alright, let's see here.
You got a great deal there.
You can have that. Let's see. Ooh, keep that. Sell that. Okay, let's see. You can have that. Alright. I'll keep the paralyzing because that actually worked well against that one dude. Alright, let's see here. Any stupid books or anything? You can have this emerald, I guess. Alright, let's see here. Repair hammers, torches, keeping that. Alright. And that's just about of everything. Alright, let's see here. And still no potions. Damn.
A pleasure to serve you.
Alright, thank you, buddy.
Good day.
Alright, alright. That's better. See, now that is a nice statue. Look at that. Big ass horse. An idiot on riding it. What the hell is that in it? Oh, it's a bird on his arm. Okay. Alright. Let's see here. I guess down. Alright. And that's my horse. Alright. Go through, guys. Alright, now back to, I gotta take that book and go drop it off. Or, no, the letter. That's right, I'm doing a letter. I'm supposed to be delivering a letter.
Show me what you've got.
Alright. Why are you trying to kill my freaking horse? Dick. What is his... I don't see his sword, or the little dagger. Can I grab it? Whatever. Alright. We'll go. If I stick to the roads, I gotta deal with morons. If I don't, I gotta deal with trolls and other monsters. Ugh. Alright, let's go. Dog. Go, 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 go. I'm gonna expect to read that book. That's what it's time, but it's better if I don't stop. That sounds like a bear. Keep going, keep going. Hello, hello, hello. Go, go, go. Okay, I don't want to lose this horse, so you idiots can fight. Have fun. Yeah, I'm getting the hell away from all of you people. Really? Shit, what is with these animals all over the place? Alright, let's keep going. Alright. Go. Oh, damn it. Here we go. Let's go, go, go. Alright. There we go. Alright. Oh, man. Damn. Alright. Alright. Hopefully this shop's still open. Come on. Let's move it, move it, move it. Yes.
What can I do for you?
Only
I
quality
need.
goods for sale here. What can I interest you?
I'll sell you
A good
that.
price for... You
Sell you
drive a
that.
hard bargain. You got a great deal.
I'll sell you that.
Bargain.
Okay. There's a glass bow.
A good
All right.
price for a
Oh,
good
there
customer.
you go. All right.
Another satisfied customer.
Thank you.
Bye.
Oof, well, hopefully I can get this letter dropped off before nightfall. I actually wish there was like a place.
To the bull of Kine in those days.
Come through.
Oh,
Here goes it.
Come through, guys. Coming through. Coming through. Hey. Alright. Okay. Oof. Ah, shit. No one's here. Oh, damn. Alright. Screw it all. Yes, I'll just wait here on a bench for several hours. Alright. Alright.
What is it now?
Alright, come on. Up. Oh. Hey, buddy. Where the hell is everyone? What the hell are you doing here?
Want?
What the hell is everyone? You have to be the laziest ass people I've ever seen. Wait until 9.
State your business. Yes?
New guard
Do you
captain.
have the Imperial Watch recommendation from my new guard captain? Normally, these missives are handled by my steward, Darahil. Let me see that. Hieronymus Lex looks like the best choice. I was about to give the position to Darahil's cousin. I have the orders right there. I'll fill in his name, and you can deliver it to Captain Lex. Thank you, courier. My steward will tip you.
Oh, thank you.
You are dismissed.
I'm waiting.
New
She
guard.
wants me to tip you. You add insult to injury. You cost my cousin a chance at that job. Take your money and get out of my sight.
Wow.